Hi everyone, this is Naveen. Today I'm going to discuss about test cases generation and code generation by using ChatGPT. So this is about Playwright automation framework. So Playwright is already providing code gen option, right? So there we can generate code by doing actions. So it will give some sample code and after that I am giving that code to ChatGPT to create a page object model kind of pages as well as test scripts. So that is one option, and another option is test cases creation. So if we have any scenario, so just we can pass that scenario to ChatGPT and it will create test cases in CSV format. So those test cases will be clearly explained, like test description and test case steps as well as expected result and everything it will give. So here I will go through the code and I will explain by executing each and every option. So this is the tool here. So this is the project directory structure, and so here this is very simple project structure I have created. This is straightforward code is there, and so these are the prompts. So prompt is nothing. This is the code generation prompt. So this is the sample code I am giving here. So in this format, it will create the code. So this is the, we can say this is the sample code, right? And this is the generation test case generation prompt. So this is the test case generation prompt, and so here we can see, like just I have executed. These are the CSV files. Just I have given scenario, and after that it has created some test cases. So here we can observe, like test case ID it has given, and test case description and test steps are there, as well as expected result is there, right? So it is very clearly it is explained, right? And this is another example I have given. So this is e-commerce website. So for that it is giving a proper details. This is excellent actually. And coming to code, this is the sample code just I have executed, and this is the test script, right? Okay, fine. Now, yeah, this is the code gen source code. This kind of code will be generated by code gen option in Playwright. So I am giving this code to ChatGPT and asking to generate a page object model pages as well as script, right? So just by giving this, I can get this kind of output. Yeah, this is the page, and these are the test cases, right? So I will try to execute the code. So now just this. Yeah, select an option to execute code generation and a test case generation. First, I will take test case generation. Okay, to enter the test scenario or the path to the file containing the scenario. Right, just I'm copying the scenario from here. So this is the scenario I'm passing here. Right, so enter the relative path of the CSV file. Okay, to save, just I'm giving this relative path here to save that file. Right, enter. So that is saved, right? 2335. Yeah, excellent. So two test cases: verify app crashes during money transfer, verify app does not crash during money transfer. Okay, these are the steps and expected result and everything. as given, right? And next one I will try to execute. This is here it is asking to select code generation option as well as test case generation, right? So I'm giving now first option, so that is to generate the code. So again it is asking to enter option 1 or option 2. Option 1 is about uh, based on input code. So input code is nothing but the code which is generated by the code gen, or if you have any sample code, just we can give that, uh, right? So and this is another thing is test cases we can pass here. So like this CSV format or Excel format, any format if you have, so just we can simply pass that CSV file or any test cases file. Just it will take and it will convert everything into page object as well as test script. So this is another option. Okay, first I will execute first option. Okay, so that is sample code I am passing to the GPT, right? So this is the sample code, a relative path, just passing that file location here. So it is executing. So a request went to GPT and it is doing some operation, and from there, yes, we got the response from the GPT. Now it is asking for the location. So this is the location I will take. Yes, now, yes, files got saved. Now this is a page object, right? Orange HRM login page. So what was my, yeah, orange HRM line. Yeah, right. This is the code we have, right? So for that it is created. Yeah, this is the URL, and this is enter username and password. This is the click login button, right? Now what are the test cases we will see here? So backend 4 functions we have. So simply, so first one is verifying user login with valid credentials and invalid credentials, and login with empty username and password, and login with only username field, login only password field. Super, excellent. So all these are the test cases generated. So this is the page and these are the test cases. So simply we can execute, we can use this code and we can run in our Playwright framework. So this is one option, and another option I will show you. So by giving test cases like CSV format if we have, so just simply we can pass that and we can generate this kind of scripts. So one and in this set 2. So here it is asking for the input file, right, based on test cases. So simply I will give, yeah, this one relating path, right? So all these CSV test cases which are in this CSV. So enter the relative path of the, yes, it is done already. Yeah. Okay. Now again I am giving this path here. Excellent. It is done. Wow. So this is e-commerce page. So the CSV which we have given, that is about its e-commerce related test cases, right? So script if we see, that is e-commerce page it is created, and verify the user item cart successfully, verify if the user enter shipping information, verify if user enter payment information, verify if user can place order successfully, or clear information, right? So each and every test case is having proper actions as well, right? So this is the power of generative AI. Thank you. Thank you everyone.